Hello guys, welcome to the stream. And in today's stream, I thought we could make some levels, but I have not been able to decide what kind of levels we should be making because I didn't put my mind into it because I was mostly working on the graphical stuff. And as you guys might have known, uh, what I was what I was working on, and I also made two changes from yesterday's stream. It was yesterday, right? We streamed. I guess it was yesterday we streamed, and we were only in our stream. We were making we were what were we doing? I kind of forgot. Yeah, I remember. We were changing the level design for the previous levels for 1, 2, 3, and 4. We had the walls were the older kind, and yeah, we had to change the walls. Yeah, we worked on that and we fixed all of those. And after the stream, I was searching on some music and some effects that we could add for the moment when the player like actually touches the mirror. Both the players manage to touch the mirror and the level gets completed. I wanted to create some kind of audio cue for that, and I came up with this. I'm gonna show you guys. And I also added this level exit kind of thing. I'll show you guys what I was talking about. So now the glass rolls away and we get a glitch kind of effect, and then we transition into this level. This is what I thought of, and I think this looks pretty good for now. It works for us, and it was easy to implement as well. So it's a win-win for me. This so the, so now I have to manually make the changes that we have made for this character. Mostly, we have added a mask to this and also a mask to another character, which we move to hide the character when the game ends. So this is how I achieved that. And for this, and now I have two options. One is to create the mask and create the animation in every single level, which is gonna be a dumber move that is not gonna happen. We are just gonna make prefabs of these and replace the characters in another level with our prefabs, with our these prefabs. And yeah, that's how we're gonna achieve that. And I guess we also have which which should also be added to other levels. So we have to add this element in our remaining levels as well. So we have quite a few uh, Guys, I don't know what's happening right now, but guys, I don't know what's happening right now, but my OBS gets disconnected, so I shifted from my Ethernet cable to my Wi-Fi. So I don't know what the issue was. It was working quite well till today, but out of nowhere we kind of started getting issues with it. So where were we? So we have to use this and this, right? We have three things to make changes. We also had changes in our game manager, but since we have the same game manager in every single level, so it's gonna be pretty quick for that. So for our Mira character, let's bring it over here and make it as, I wanna rename this as Mirror character, and for this as character, rename this as well as character, rename this as mirror character, and we need this as well. And this is gonna be glitch panel, and it's good. We don't need to make any more changes into this. So let's get back to our scenes, and let's go to level 2. So we need this is a mirror variant. Let's go to our prefabs, new prefabs. So we need a character which needs to be placed right over here, and we need a mirror character which needs to be placed, and it is in the perfect place where it should be. And we also have to, I guess, assign all of these. I guess there was an option to copy components, but I don't think assigning it works that way. We have to manually assign, I guess. So for our character, let's go to our mirror character 1. Let's bring out its properties and compare it with our mirror character. So animator, yes, we have the animator. This, we don't need to make any changes to it. We don't need to make any changes to it here either. It seems we don't really need to assign anything because everything is pre-assigned, I guess. The mirror character and the mirror character 1 are pretty similar, so let's check if our character has the same features as our previous character, which is gonna be our idol. And if we see here, I guess we have all the elements. So I can remove this, I can remove this, but the things that we have to make changes to our game manager, we need to, wait a second. Didn't our game manager had one more script? So I have to go to my, let's save this scene. Let's go to first level and go to my game manager. I have to apply this. Then I can go to my second level. Yeah, it got all of the features that uh, had in the first level. The only thing that's missing is glitch panel, and I think it was empty in our first level as well. If I go to my game manager, no, we have an image, and this image is this panel. So let's go to our prefabs and bring the glitch panel uh, inside of this right here. And one more thing that I want to change is after the panel arrives, we want this what do you call this, joystick to be disabled, so that we can see a cinematic kind of view without the involvement of joystick. So that we'll make that later. But for now, inside of our game manager, we need, yeah, I knew we needed this. This has to be assigned ourselves because we have a new set of characters. So the reference of those characters to the other elements would have to be assigned ourselves. Or can we, uh, what do we have here? Did we do anything here? We didn't do anything, right? Still, let's apply this. And for our character and meter character, let's go to character, character, and character. Go to meter character, meter character, and meter character. And why is this getting played? We are not able to move this, and the reason for it is because in our joystick, not the joystick but our character, we have to assign this. So let's go to our joystick, not this but the outer, here and here. Also for the character we need here and here. For the mirror variant, let's go back to our first level, and inside of our mirror, let's apply everything that we have added so that it goes with it appears here as well. So now we should be able to play this without any issues. the fade animation is not working and the glitch is also not displayed. So the level switcher. So we also have to put a mirror variant. Now we need this to be not this one, but this and this. Go to mirror variant, animate character is one, this is two, and other things. I guess this is it. So it's time for level 3. So let's go to level 3. So for level 3, we have to repeat all the processes that we did for level 2, which is kind of hectic because you have to repeat all the processes that you did again and again and again. At least we don't have to make any changes to we need to make changes to this because we will be removing our this character and this character. So let's get started with this. So we need mirror character and our character, and I think they are in pretty good spot of where they were supposed to be. That's a good sign for us. And after that, we need the glitch panel as well right here. And with this, we can remove our previous characters. So we are left with only two characters that we wanted, and now we have to assign all of these. Is there a way to assign like character, controller, controller, and this, and we need to assign this as well. I guess uh, this is it, right? We only need to assign the references in two of those spaces. So let's try playing this. Now we have to assign a inside of our character and the mirror character as well, because we have to assign our joystick. Let's go right here. Let's go right here. Fuck. We have to assign one more thing inside of our mirror variant. We need to assign the animator for the mask. And with this, we are pretty much done with level 3. Yeah, it works perfectly. Now it's time for level 4. I'm thinking of no, I don't think that's a good idea. But what I thought was, since we have a different colored levels, like we had a bluish theme for level 1, a, a little bit of red for level 2, and green for level 3, and blue for level 4. We could also make the glitch panel that appears after the level ends match the color with the level. Do you guys think that would be a good idea? Because the only reason for me to make this red was the level changer level that we get after we complete the level is kind of red in color, so I wanted both of those to be kind of connected with each other, like we get the red glitch panel and suddenly we get suddenly our scene gets changed to next level changer, which is also red, so which shows kind of consistency with it. That's what I thought. But if we try to make different colors based on the level itself, that could look cool, but also it could not look cool. I don't know, but I think that we could implement that later in, not today, but some other days if we find that is useful. Beside that, other everything else is quite satisfactory in my opinion, and the only thing that I'm left with is after we go to the level changer scene and hit the next level, we instantly into next level, which is not what I want. I want a fade out effect, or we can implement similar kind of glitch effect when we get back to another level, but that would look I guess that would look bad. Like you complete the level, you get the glitch effect, and you start another level, you get the glitch effect. I think that wouldn't look good. A simple fade effect could be used, I guess. I'll implement that off stream because right now we still have a lot of work to do with this. We have still we have three more levels to work with, and I'm also thinking of creating one more level. And the only thing that is difficult for me right now is creating a new level, because I am not able to think of any kind of level design, or nothing is coming in my head to how I should design a new level. I can take help from the original game that I had created before, but since we have changed so many things, I wanted to make this game a bit consistent with the previous levels and increase the hardness or the features gradually without rushing, so that the player feels like they are getting something new every single level, so that would keep them motivated to play the game and not leave the game unfinished. So that's what I thought, but that is really hard to achieve. Still, we will try our best. So for level 7, we don't have any specific idea till now, but we will get there and we will build something as we go along, because there are some things that do not come in head right now, or that you do not know how to do, but as you start doing it, more kind of ideas you get in your head, and that's how the design for this game was made. I didn't have any idea of what kind of background I should keep, what kind of the shaders I should use, but slowly mm, going through it and making changes every single time, that's how I got to this point got to at this point. And there are still a lot of things that needs to be worked on, that needs to be better, but still, for now I think this is quite enough for this game, because but I'm still unable to test this on a phone or mobile phone device, because I don't have an Android, and if I were to play this on iOS, I would require a Mac just to build the version that runs on an iOS. So, and I don't have a Mac right now, so That's why I'm not able to play this on a mobile device and get the experience and test what are the things that needs to be changed. Yeah, and yeah, that's the thing. So it's time for level 4. So let's go to our scenes, go to levels, go to new levels, go to fourth. And personally, my favorite level is level fourth. I don't know why I like this level so much. Got the colors and the background and the button. I think it all goes pretty well. And we don't have anyone in our stream. It's kind of boring to do these kind of things because these are just repetitive tasks that there's nothing new to this, and I'm just fixing the things that I ruined myself. But we can't call this as ruining things because those things were like updates, so we had to make updates. And the only reason I have to do this every level is we didn't use a prefab for the character, which is an important thing that we should have used. So enough of yapping, guys. So let's get back to this. And I guess now we are pretty much aware of what are the things that we need to change. And again, for this level, we don't need to make changes in our character's position, which is a good thing. So we can remove our character, both of these characters, and we also need the joystick, and we are using another prefab here. We are using joystick prefab, but it is we are using this only because we have the teleport button, right? So it would not matter that much. So let's add right here, and we have to do this inside of our prefab itself, which is fine by me. It's not that big of a deal. So let's go to our game manager and assign this here and assign all of this. Can I assign go to game manager? What the fuck did I do? And for the character, we have to assign the joystick's outer game object to both of our character and a mirror character here and here. And inside of our mirror variant, we also need to assign both the masks that we had. And with this, let's save this and let's try on this level. I'm feeling kind of sleepy right now. I guess I should sleep after making changes to all 6 of our levels. I guess I'm gonna go for a quick nap because because I woke up early today, and after that I went to gym as well. Teleport. So the teleport button is not working, so we might have to check on this as well. I guess we had inside of our teleport portal first, we had a destination we have assigned, but I don't know why we are not able to teleport. We have the teleporter script. Go to our character. Oh, we need to assign the teleport button. So for this, we have to assign, this is our teleport button, right? Assign this here. For the mirror character as well, assign. Where's our teleporter script button? Sorry. Yeah, assign this and hit play. Okay, it is working now. So it's time for level 5. Again, we have to repeat all the steps that we did for level 4. So let's go to our scene, let's go to levels, new level 4. And someone is watching our stream. Hello, welcome to the stream. If you want to talk about anything, you can just chat with us. With us, I mean with me, because there's no one else around here. But we might get other people watching us sooner than we can chat as a group. But for now, it's only me. And let's go to our 5th level. Go to prefabs. We need character and mirror character. This time the character is a bit off, so let's move him right here. Okay, so we can remove our character and mirror character now. And in our joystick we have to assign the panel as well. And inside of our character we need to assign the joystick, and same goes for our mirror character as well. Let's save this. We don't have teleporters in this level, so we don't need to assign any button to this. And let's go to game manager, and for game manager we do not have the prefab version here. We have the regular game manager, so I don't need this. I need the prefab version, which has this as well. And for the audio source, do we have an audio clip? No. So the music inside of Gimans, I need to confirm it if that was background music or some other kind of sound effects. So let me just go to my scripts. So if I go back to my previous level, I need to check one thing if the audio in the game manager is. Oh, I guess it was for the death clip because that's the only audio clip we have here, and I guess that is the clip that is being used by the audio source. So let's go back to our fifth level, and we have the audio clip, so we don't have to assign it. So let's start with assigning all the stuffs that is left. And this, and for the character joystick is assigned, and for the mask we have to assign it inside of mirror. And why don't we have the mirror as prefab? I'm not gonna take any kind of risk. I'm gonna remove this, and I'm going to use the prefab version. So if I make any changes in the future, then I don't have to go through all of this that I'm going through again. Go to my prefabs, new, and mirror variant, and turn this off for now. So go to mirror variant. For the mirror variant, we need to assign two of these, and the audio we have audio clip assigned, so that's gonna be it. So let's check if everything is working correctly as we intended. There's one more thing that is not working because we had implemented the audio for this to be determined based on how far the character is. So let me check if this needs to get, this has one more variable or a component to be assigned to it. This is inside of outer box instead of electrifying, and yeah, we had to assign this as well. So now we should be able to hear the sound of electricity based on how far we are from the electrifying walls that we have. So the moment we go closer to it, we can hear the sound getting louder, and we can also hear it getting slower the farther we travel from this. So let's try completing this level. How will we supposed to complete this? Like this, and let's go a bit downwards. Guys, we didn't see panel right now because we disabled it, so it means everything is working correctly. So let's save this. Now we are left with level 6. Guys, I just completed a full cup of shake that I made with milk, banana, oats. Yeah, that was it. And the moment I finished all of it, I'm feeling so sleepy right now. So it's better for me to complete this task as soon as possible and take a quick nap. Cause I feel like my eyes are kind of tired. So let's go to our uh, remove this mirror because we will be using the variant. Okay, first task is done. Go to our joystick and use the glitch panel. Bring back our characters. Disable the glitch panel for now. And for our characters, we don't want. This is our character, and we want him to be right here, and we want him to be right here. This is where we want our character to be at. Set this up. Let's remove our previous characters that we had. Go to our game manager, assign all the media characters going to player 2. Right? Character is going to be player 1, player 1. Character media character, and assign the glitch panel here. Let's turn it on, turn it back on. Go to our mirror variant and assign our animator for the mask, and go to character, assign the joystick. Oh, it's a joystick. Assign the joystick right here, and go to our mirror character and also assign the joystick. I guess we are done with. Yeah, and we don't have any more levels, and with this we are done for today's task, not today's but task for this session, and I'm going to take a nap, guys. So see you guys, I guess I will see you guys in the evening, because I might stream in the evening, or we might stream at night. And if we stream at night, we might be playing Valorant on stream. I was also thinking of playing Mobile Legends on stream, but I don't know how to stream using my laptop while playing on my phone, and I don't think that's gonna be possible. So I will check and find a way to stream with my phone. So yeah, guys, see you guys.